sometimes being in the limelight. So do you guys also have any kind of experience?
मेरे ब्रेसलेट में ही काला था। तो ये होता है, मतलब हम तो एक्चुअली अपनी मम्मीज वगैरह से सुनते हैं, तो जो उनका मानना है वही हमारा मानना है, तो उनके थ्रू वो हमारे ऊपर फॉलो हो जाती है।
Something very spooky happened every time. We were staying in a hotel in Kudal, boutique resort, and everybody was waking up at 3 a.m. No matter what. किसी का कोई loophole या phone बज गया या anything. So we were waking up at 3 a.m.
Hey guys, I'm Manjari Mukherjee and you're watching me on Pop Diaries channel. I'm in conversation with some very special people. Every day only I'm in conversation with them and more special people, but ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा special है because they are bringing my favorite genre to you guys and to me. It's horror comedy. Well, you must have already heard of Munjya, the first Indian CGI actor, but we are yet to see that actor in action. And I am very excited and bringing more to us none other than the cast, the amazing cast, the talented, beautiful, handsome cast. It's Abhay Varma, Sharvari and Mona Singh.
Hello. What a fabulous
and we are very happy to hear it's your favorite genre.
It is my favorite genre, but I know you don't like horror.
Just horror.
Just horror. But
Only
you love
horror
comedy.
is what?
I love horror comedy, not horror.
No, I don't think I have to ask only why did you choose to do this, because I would have also said yes to this. So completely, kudos to you for doing it. Because actually doing a horror story is थोड़ा तो डर लगता है यार देखने में ही इतना डर लगता है कभी कभार तो obviously. But I want to know what was the experience like of working with the first Indian CGI actor? Like that's something very different for me. I mean, सोच कर ही और देख कर ही मुझे इतना अजीब लग रहा है. I don't know how you guys did it. What was the process like?
Honestly, the process was a little bit technical, unlike what we've ever done, because this is also being made first time in India. So we've, forget us, no one has been a part of a project like this.
Absolutely.
When we were shooting for this film, we obviously had to use our imagination to the best of our ability. Because we were imagining Munjya, we were imagining Munjya's expressions, we were imagining Munjya's movements. We were of course given a direction of what is going to happen, a storyboard, a storyline, and just a basic understanding of the scene and what Munjya would be doing in that. Also the thing is that we used to shoot this one particular shot 3 times actually, and that I think Abhay will explain better because he's it has been at the forefront of it. But all I will tell you is that it was definitely challenging, but this will still be our biggest asset of the film.
Okay. I think that's a very tough thing to do. Like the whole fact that you guys are actually imagining everything in your head, but this also shows the kind of actors that you are. I mean, wow. Because I've watched the trailer and the trailer looks exceptionally good.
Thank you.
Honestly.
Thank you.
Like I am ready for the ride.
We are really excited for you to watch it and definitely want to know your reaction after.
I know because I love folklore. So it has all the 3 things that I love. So
Oh wow, that is so
You're
cool.
looking so cute, yeah.
Thank
Seriously. I mean, I don't know how you can look so cute and still have that thing on your back.
That's just
times.
pure talent there. That's all. No.
As she was saying, please, take the conversation forward. What was it like? Because you were at the forefront of it.
Oh, honestly, it was a very unique experience, which she also mentioned that is our biggest asset. और ऐसा कभी इंडिया में नहीं हुआ है, so we were the ones to actually start it, and as newcomers, all 3 of us, all 3 of us are newcomers in this genre.
That is true.
And in this film and of its kind. तो किसी नई चीज़ को शुरुआत करने का एक अलग ही फन होता है, which we definitely had a lot while shooting. Of course, it has its own technical things which need to be taken care of. कुछ चीज़ें imagine करनी मतलब सामने हो तो at least is better. But imagine करना sometimes can be a little tricky because it can go the other way also. And thankfully, trailer के response से people have responded so positively and shown their love in a massive way. तो वहाँ से confidence आ जाता है, not just मुझे but on a bigger way creators को, so that they can also just broaden their spectrum to make films like
Obviously.
such. But yeah, मतलब first things are always better.
Special.
Yeah,
Special.
better
Very
and
special.
special. Definitely, you said it. So is the film for all of us, yeah. But
Absolutely.
yeah, the experience was actually very tricky to do with, because कभी कभी आपको ट्रेलर में आपने देखा होगा वॉक भी करनी है तो द बॉडी लैंग्वेज हैज टू बी
Yes.
सच कि वो बैठा है ऊपर, तो वो एक्चुअली तो नहीं बैठा है, इट्स जस्ट ऑल इमेजिनेशन दैट्स प्लेइंग इन द हेड. तो वो एक क्रैक करने में आदित्य सर कहीं ना कहीं, आई मीन ही इज़ वेरी मच रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द बॉडी लैंग्वेज एंड फॉर द एक्सप्रेशंस फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस एंड द परफॉर्मेंस which Munja will be doing. So
Absolutely.
that's amazing. So a lot of
Definitely
uniqueness and a lot of positive things and a lot of humor and a lot of horror. So it's a perfect combination of like a good dose of humor and horror. So it'll be fun. It'll be fun.
Perfect. Okay, over to you, Mona. Actually, I have something different to ask you.
Sure.
Absolutely different, because I don't even want to know what the characters are like right now for you guys, because I really want to live the experience first. But I want to know, there was, few things that I picked up from the trailer. And
Okay.
this first thing that I picked up was Kala Jadoo. And there's a lot of mystery around it. But there's also a lot of, what they say कि anecdotes like ऐसे बोल देते, stereotype कर देते कि बंगाली लड़कियां बहुत काला जादू करती हैं. और वो तो हमारी आंखें होती है.
सुना है ऐसा.
वो हमारी
बोलते
आंखें
हैं.
होती है भाई. Don't get it's just the eyes. It's not actually
क्या
happening.
बात है. Yeah, right.
Okay, but apart from jokes, have you guys ever, come across, while preparing also, have you guys ever come across something where you have heard something very different about Kala Jadoo, about, the facts or anecdotes of such kind?
See, Kala Jadoo is one thing, especially in India, where a lot of people talk about it,
Yes.
So, I have lived in Calcutta for 3 years when my dad was posted there. So, we did get to know a lot about, Kala Jadoo, कि आज अमावस की, काली रात है, तो इसमें यहाँ पे तो होगा ही होगा. So, as kids, we've heard a lot of anecdotes. So, but yes, when we were shooting, it was something very spooky happened every time. We were staying in a hotel in Kudal, boutique resort, and everybody was waking up at 3 a.m.
What?
No matter what.
Yeah.
किसी का कोई loo
Oh my
call या
God.
phone
Yeah.
बज गया या anything. So we were waking up at 3 a.m. So all of us, the next day at breakfast table would discuss, कि did you wake up at 3? Did you? Yeah, me too. So we're like, oh shit,
God.
ये कुछ हो रहा है.
Oh God.
Munja is knocking at the door.
By the way, fun fact, 6 जून के अमावस है.
Oh!
Yes.
एक मिनट, आपको क्यों पता है सब?
क्योंकि
आप कुछ बोल रही थी black magic के बारे में.
No. I just saw the calendar, so I came across it. Oh
Right, calendar.
God. Okay. Oh, the next thing that I wanted to ask is, are you feeding into other people's minds? Now everybody is going to be.
No, I didn't mean that. I'm just
And just
mocking
gonna
it.
be a fun fact is this कि मुझे Manjulika बोला गया है. Manjari, Manjulika. So
Oh
I
my
have this
God.
thing with me, and I also wake up at 3 a.m. I don't know why.
every day.
Yeah.
What?
It's very strange.
Okay, I am like speechless. अच्छा.
Listen, we are the biggest fattus. You give us this information, we are not going to be very like.
एक सवाल पूछ सकता हूँ प्लीज, असली नाम क्या है?
Yes. क्या मंजरी है? हद हो गई है.
फिर by mistake बोलती थी Manjari
Manjari का है.
Sorry Manjari.
Okay, so Nazar. Okay, so this is something which is very personal to me as well. A lot of times, a lot of people talk about Nazar. नज़र लग जाती है, ज़्यादा मत शो ऑफ करो, ज़्यादा मत बात करो अपने काम के बारे में. एंड रिसेंटली आई थिंक एन एक्ट्रेस ऑल्सो हैज़ गॉन आउट एंड टॉक्ड अबाउट हाउ समटाइम्स बीइंग इन द लाइमलाइट, and she does feel that she's at the hands of Nazar a lot. So do you guys also have any kind of experience of
Look
that?
at this. We all are wearing.
काला
नजर का
Yeah.
काला धागा.
You also wearing?
मेरे ब्रेसलेट में ही काला धागा है.
Hey.
Wow.
2 in 1.
Super, yeah. I also should start wearing that.
तो ये होता है, मतलब हम तो एक्चुअली अपनी मम्मीज वगैरह से सुनते हैं.
Yeah.
तो जो उनका मानना है वही हमारा मानना है, तो उनके थ्रू वो हमारे ऊपर फॉलो हो जाती है. तो बेटर बी सेफ देन सॉरी.
Yeah.
तो नजर उतरवा लेनी चाहिए और उस सब है.
और आई थिंक कि इट्स नॉट जस्ट बिकॉज हम पब्लिक आई में हैं या फिर
हाँ, normal.
क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है लोगों की नज़र नहीं लगती क्योंकि हम पब्लिक आई में. इनफैक्ट हमें बहुत प्यार मिलता है यहाँ पे, एंड दैट आई एम नॉट सेइंग, बट इन जनरल आई फील लाइक ये एक इंडियन कल्चर है, एक हमारे कल्चर का हिस्सा है और उसका कुछ ना कुछ रीजन रहा होगा क्योंकि इतने सालों से वो आगे बढ़ता जा रहा है। तो आई थिंक कि किसी का अगर कोई हार्म नहीं हो रहा है तो अपनी श्रद्धा कुछ आप आप अपने मन को कुछ समझा देते हो, तो आई थिंक इट्स फाइन।
Absolutely. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe on that bell icon. Bye.